In the name of God, this is Mustawina Yasser. In this video, we will talk about something very special in tattooing, which is databases or data. If you want to organize your projects or tasks professionally and easily, this video is made for you. Let's get started right away. Now we will create a database by clicking below on tablet. A new database will appear in this form. This is completely empty data. Now we will start adding things by clicking on this. Some options will appear, each option based on the data you want to add. The first option is text, through which you can add texts. The second option is number, through which you can add numbers, and so on. We will start to understand the rest one by one. Let's so try now to create a database for studying in a very simple way. We will start by adding here a new database, which consists of pages. Now, as soon as we click new, a new field will appear through which we can add the data. For example, now we will add the subject name. We can add this field to inform you of the status of this page, the status of the task, whether it has started, finished, or is active. We can add a checkbox so that if we finish, we can click on it. We can add the field for links to include something related to the subject, whether it's Google Drive or a playlist related to explanations and so on. Let's now add a few more subjects. Now we have a database with several subjects. From here, we can modify the view of the database. A board view is available. Each view has a different use and a very distinctive display method. Let's try the board view, for example. We can modify the view in several different ways. And from here, we can choose to modify the view, like showing or. All of this is through this section. We can use it to clarify some other data from the view. From the filter section, we can filter specific projects that we want to be visible in the view. For example, we now want to show the projects that belong to it. There is currently no project. As soon as we modify one of them, it will start appearing like this. Now let's remove the filter. Through this, we can sort the projects or data according to our needs. We can sort them, for example, by name, either ascending or descending. We can also group related projects together. For example, if we need to group materials by a link if they have a unified link, or by name if they have a unified name. But here, everything has a different name. It is the best option for the data available here. We will talk about some other options in the upcoming videos. In the layout section, we can customize the view as a whole. The previous ones were customizations for the data. As for the layout, we customize the view in general, like if we want it to be small or large. We can create a card view. We can display the page content if there is text inside the page. For example, here on the tablet, we can open a page and write anything we need. Therefore, if we do it here, it will start showing us what's inside the page exactly like this. We can do something like this and some other options that we will talk about in the upcoming videos. And with that, we have taken a brief look at databases in Notion and how to use them for simple things. If you have any questions or need more explanation about a specific part, write to me in the comments. God willing, in the upcoming videos, we will start creating complete projects with free templates that you can use directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow the upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.